Good morning all. Today we have a equipment for testing torsion. Okay. So what is meant by torsion?
It's a twisting force.
It's a twisting force, right? Can you show some demo? You just have this hand and then you are going to rotate. Okay. So this twisting force is applied everywhere and we have so many applications, right? So any one application?
Shaft.
We have
For a propeller shaft in ship or automobile industry.
propeller shaft in ships and automotive industries. Any other examples? Wind turbines in aeroplanes. Okay, we will take Titanic film. Have you all know about Titanic film? Have you seen that?
Yes, sir.
You have seen a big propeller shaft backside this big ship, right? The total force which is given from the engine is being transmitted to turbine. The turbine pushes the water back so that the ship goes forward. So this is because of torque transmitted by the shaft. Okay. So that is the one term we need to understand why this machine is used. Okay. In this shaft we are going to test the torque of a particular material. So we have a square rod here. Okay. We have a motor fixed in the right hand side of the chuck. We call it as chuck, right? So on the left hand side we have one chuck which is connected to the division which shows the torque force applied. Okay. So this motor capacity is 20 kilogram meter and it has a 0.3 HP motor. So what is meant by HP? Horsepower. Very good. So this is a 0.3 HP motor. Okay. So in this experiment we are going to see how much degree is being twisted. Number one, theta. What is the angle being twisted and what is the maximum torque the material can take. Okay. So how this experiment is done, first we have to make it to 0. So in that per division if you take 1 we have readings for that. Per division if we have 4 divisions we have readings for that. That analog scale will tell you what is the reading of the torque. Okay. In this experiment, first we have to fix the square rod and one is fixed, other one is starting giving the rotating speed. So after finding this torque, we can able to tell that this material can be used in lorry. So let us take the case study of lorry. So you have seen lorry, we have an engine and we have tires and we have some load. Okay. So which gear we have lorry 5 or 6 gears, right? So which gear lorry will move fast and which gear lorry will move slow? First gear, in first gear the lorry moves very slowly. Why? Because there is a load on the lorry. Because there is a load on the lorry. Okay. Whenever there is a load on the lorry will not move forward unless heavy torsion is applied on the propeller shaft. Okay. So in that context, the material of the shaft we are using maybe a mild steel or aluminum, whatever the material, that material has to be tested with torsion, okay, to find the torque of that particular material. So whenever the propeller shaft fails, we have seen lot of lorries in the roadside. There is a breakage or failure of propeller shaft and in that failure we can see this rod is being broken and then it is being laid down. Okay. That is because the power transmitted from the engine cannot be is less than the power required to move the load, then only it will fail. So this lot of case studies have been done, but the major reason why is the material constantly undergoes repeated loading. Again and again we are applying torque. Okay, a lorry is taken from the garage, new lorry. They are sending it to. The lorry is taken from the garage and it is being tested again and again by keeping lot of loads. Okay, so there is a life for every propeller shaft, and till that life it has to perform. So that is the case study we have seen today. Okay, you understood the case study about torsion?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.